Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can create private server in still a Brainrot. Okay, so in Roblox. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so come to the still Roblox home. Okay, just come to the Roblox home. You need to come roblox.com home. You can click on that logo. Okay, and in search bar you can search that still a Brainrot. Okay, so you can see here we have that. Just click on it, and in order to create the private server we need to go with that server option, and from here you can create it. Okay, you need to just select hit the create private server button, and here you can see there is a 79 robux you need in your wallet to buy it. Okay, you just click on buy. After buy, you need to create that server name and all. Okay, I don't have that Roblox in my wallet, so it's asking me to add, but you can simply buy from here. After buy, I will show you what we can do. Okay, let me create the server to other game. Let me show you one sec. Okay guys, so here we have another game. So I will show you how what we can do after you create the private server in that still a Brainrot. Okay, so once you create, just create, and here once you pay this fees, which is 79 robux. Okay, you need they will ask you to create the server name, so you need to type your server name and just click on buy. Okay, so once you buy, just refresh it. Okay, and here you can see that your private server. Okay, so here the maximum people limits is 18. Okay, so in that Brainrot, here maybe between 5 to 15. Okay, the joining limit. And here you can see there is the three dot option. From here you can do configuration. Go to the configuration. Okay, so this is a free server. Okay, so you can make it online or offline from here. Once you make it disable, so it will be disabled to join private server to others. Okay, and if you want to enable it, you can enable it. And here you can also friend allow. You can also add your friend from here. Just you need to enable it, and you can also add server members from your list. You can go to the add link, and you can type your people or that member name or friend name, username. Then it will become here. You need to select it and just add it. Okay, and here you can also generate private link. Okay, you need to just click on hit. This is a private link you can share to the members which you want to join your server. Okay, and there is a two difference in paid server, private server, and free private server. Okay, in free private server, if you want to make it offline or make it delete, you need to just hit that allow the joining. Okay, first you need to disable this to allow friends, and you can also disable this to others. So now this is free server has been disabled. Okay, but in paid, okay, if you have paid server, then you can do one thing. If you want to cancel it, you can cancel come from here. In configuration you will have two options, configuration and cancel. Okay, in paid server like in Brainrot, so you need to just cancel that server. It will be cancelled if you want. And if you want to make offline, you need to make configuration, go to the configuration, and you can offline from here. Okay, in paid server also. So there is a one difference that you can cancel your private server, paid private server, but if you want to cancel your free private server, you need to just make it offline from here, because there is no any cancel button in this server, because this is a free. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.